Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I make these delicious red velvet cupcakes. So for these cupcakes, I use cocoa powder, buttermilk, powdered sugar, vinegar, salt, cream cheese, baking soda, butter, flour, vanilla extract, an egg, red food dye, and sugar. Sift the flour and cocoa powder, add the baking soda and mix it. Set it aside and in a different bowl, cream the butter and sugar. So add the eggs and mix it again. Now add the milk and vanilla extract. Now that we've mixed all the wet ingredients, add the flour to it. Make sure to mix it well and now add the food dye. Line the cupcake tray and fill it with the batter. Bake the cupcakes in a preheated oven of 180 Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. While the cupcakes are in the oven, mix the powdered sugar and cream cheese and put it in a piping bag. I crumbled one cupcake and sprinkled it over the rest. And there you have it. Simple, easy, and delicious. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.